My video guide is about removing the online scam that is related to the website Coatimundiresults.shop. Coatimundiresults.shop is a new malicious website. Currently it attacks Google, Chrome and other browsers. It tricks people into downloading and installing certain potentially unwanted software. Keep in mind that it is definitely a mistake to interact with all these pop-ups. So don't ever install anything that these faulty pop-ups ever suggest. Such pop-ups lead to the installation of potentially unwanted software. So if you see these fake alerts on your screen, simply leave this page. I would also recommend that you thoroughly examine your computer with the help of reliable antivirus software. And you may get it on this official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program and begin researching and investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.